Hey there from Oh Wow, the wedding venue directory for industry pros and savvy couples. Here are some location ideas we covered in May. Corowa Whisky and Chocolate starts us off in New South Wales. In WA, the Assembly Yard. Athol Hall. Hopewood House. In Queensland, there's Bunneyconnellen and the Refinery. Whispering Woods in Western Australia. Sirromet Winery. The Farm Yarra Valley. The Button Factory. Bawley Vale Estate. St. John's. And to finish off, Brickendon Estate in Tasmania. That's it for May's venue ideas. For more, visit owow.com.au or visit us on Instagram at owow_weddings.